And I said, what the f?
One, two, three. What's going on, C friends? Welcome back to our channel. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to get notified on our videos. So this week we have our nephews Dominic and Lolo visiting us from Orlando, Florida. If you don't know Mike, he is super picky about his car, his shoes, and his clothes.
Goddamn right.
So we are going to be filling the car, or how do you say? Not filling.
Covering.
We are going to be covering Mike's car with post-it notes. He's going to get so pissed off. It's okay. It's worth it. It's for you guys. It's for the C friend. Let's prank Mike. Let's go. By the way, we just found a scratch. It wasn't us, babe. I swear. It wasn't us. It was there already. Where is it? You cover it?
Yeah, right there.
There's a scratch on your car. It's been like 15 minutes and we only done the front part of the car. Stay tuned. Oh, don't forget to give a like already. Comment what will be Mike's reaction. Update. It's been 30, almost 40 minutes since we started and we only did the front part so far. A little bit of the side. This is what Mike is gonna be looking at tomorrow when he wakes up. Got a little note in there. Another note for him. Yeah. So now we have to figure it out how we're gonna do this tomorrow because he wakes up super early to work out.
That's it.
So that means I have to wake up early and set up the camera because he drives to the gym, which is like a minute away. Okay, so we have some extra, so we're gonna put some inside. So we are officially done covering the car with the post-its. Let's see Mike's reaction tomorrow. Okay, so it's the morning and Mike is about to wake up to come do his cardio. I just saw that my nephew Lolo was here.
And I said, what the f is this? The f did you do? What is this? Babe! Babe! Oh, you're a swear to God.
Really?
Babe, what is this?
Surprise! Hi, Marcelo.
I don't care. You guys better take that shit off.
No, you should go to the gym. Go. Baby, come here.
Are you kidding me right now?
Can you grab our son? Rock, adentro.
Are you serious right now?
Wow, look at the design on this side. Dominic did this side.
Dominic! For real? Really? Really? It's cool?
Yeah.
Yeah? If my paint messes up because of you idiots, all of you are gonna be paying for a brand new paint job. All of you. Start figuring it out. But you
No,
guys
I
got
say
like
you should go on the right.
inside too?
Whoa, you like it? It's a new design.
Oh my god, I'm gonna kill you guys, I swear to God.
The
Letting
design.
you know, all of you are picking up all these papers. All of you.
We thought you needed to do something today.
I'm not doing nothing. You guys are. Here, this is his toothbrush. I can't believe you guys let her do this.
Are you mad?
No, man, I'm not. I think it's a pretty cool thing to do, a prank, but not on me. Not on this car.
The key comes with the stick.
She's so stupid.
Wow, I love the design. We're gonna take a picture for the thumbnail. Sideways, sideways. Try to get the whole car. Our neighbors are gonna kill us. Hi. Okay, right there actually. Marcelo, say cheese.
I'm just letting all of you know. They did this to me. Look at my car. Prank Wars is on.
I thought we did prank wars a long time.
Really?
Marcelo's having fun. Beep, beep.
Really? Okay. Alright, see friends, it's on right now.
Have you guys met Rock? That's Rock.
And
Babe.
it's gonna get on you and on you.
What?
Because you guys helped her. So Prank Wars is on you too also. When you wake up tomorrow without hair, I'm telling you right now, I'm gonna shave your head,
He won't.
assholes.
I'll protect you guys. Alright, well, I'm not showing my face because I just woke up, but we're going to end this video right here.
Alright guys, on to the next one. They
Bye.
got me. Be safe out there.